Okay guys, so it's time to unbox my light fixture. I got this from Amazon. Let's take a look. So it comes with everything that I need for installation. There's the manual, there's some screws and also wire nuts. Pretty good. And here it's well packed. As you can see, I have here the main part for installation. And here is the part that I'm going to use to connect my light bulb. Pretty good. And as you can see, it's well protected here, the glass. Okay, pretty good. It's very well protected, as you can see. And then I'm gonna have this fixture mounted here with the glass that way. And I'm going to install and put a light bulb and see how it goes. All right, here's the glass and the main components of the light fixture. It's nice, it looks like a good material, sturdy. Wire nuts. So the installation should be easy. So I have here the paperwork with the welcome. There's the customer support, there's an email for customer support. So you have everything that you need. It's coded here, you have the details, the quantity, the name of everything that we have here. So let's go to the installation.
For the installation, just fix the brackets in the junction box. You're going to use the hot and neutral wires to connect to the light fixture, and you will also need to connect the ground wire. Check the ideal cable length. Lose the screw and pull the cable to adjust as you wish. Connect the ground wire in the bracket. And use the wire nuts to connect the hot and neutral wires. Push everything into the junction box. Mount the glass into the socket and install the light bulb. The installation is finished. Turn the light on and enjoy your new light fixture.